If 0-12 months is the baby potato stage, then 1-18 months is when the potato wakes up, stands up, and starts pressing buttons like a mini tech intern who just discovered electricity. Welcome to the magical, slightly terrifying, and absolutely adorable chapter when your child transforms from a cuddly sitter into a bold explorer with big energy and zero sense of danger. Your toddler has officially entered the "what happens if I press this?" stage. Montessori toys help that curiosity in a safe, productive way instead of letting them test every button and drawer in your house. Around 1 year old, toddlers enter a new phase of life. They move more, understand more, and want to explore everything around them. This stage feels fast and exciting because your child wants to discover how the world works. They suddenly want to reach shelves, open cabinets, and follow you everywhere. Hook. When toddlers start exploring with purpose, every object becomes a learning tool instead of just a toy. If it opens, moves, or makes a sound, they believe it was invented just for them. Toddlers begin climbing, pulling, shaking, twisting, and opening items around the house. They grab anything they can and test every boundary they find. This behavior is natural and important for development. You may feel like you're living with a mini inspector who checks everything for quality control. Toddlers are not trying to make life messy. They are testing how things work, like small engineers learning step by step. Their mission isn't destruction, it's discovery, even if it looks chaotic. Their brain becomes faster, but their hands are still learning to follow. This creates frustration sometimes when they can't do what they imagine. Montessori items help toddlers practice hand movements slowly and calmly without pressure. When parents allow practice time, toddlers feel capable and secure. When the right tools are available, practice feels natural and tantrums reduce because the child has control. Skills grow best when hands get time to try, not when adults rush to fix everything. Montessori toys stay simple and real. They do not distract with loud sounds or flashing lights that overwhelm young minds. They give real, meaningful experiences with real textures and movements. Toddlers learn what happens when they turn, twist, lift, or push something. Children learn best when they can touch, turn, open, and move objects that make sense in everyday life. Real-world learning sticks longer than random sounds or blinking lights ever can. Around this age, toddlers grow stronger physically. They may be crawling fast, standing, cruising on furniture, or taking their first steps. They love practice and repeat movements to build confidence. Each step is a milestone that strengthens their muscles and balance. When toddlers move safely and freely, they build independence and confidence at the same time. A moving toddler isn't restless, they're growing. They start pushing toys, pulling objects, climbing soft surfaces, and carrying household items like spoons or kitchen towels. These behaviors help improve balance and muscle coordination. Sometimes they carry things just because it makes them feel important. Picking up random items may look funny, but it is a toddler building strength and coordination. If they proudly walk around with a spoon, don't worry, that's confidence training, not home takeover planning. Montessori encourages safe movement instead of stopping every action. Soft mats, safe climbing cushions, and gentle walkers support balanced development. When toddlers are trusted to explore, they learn physical control faster. When toddlers feel trusted to move, they learn control faster and fall less over time. Safety doesn't mean stopping exploration. It means preparing the environment for success. Hands become very active in this stage. Toddlers enjoy twisting, pressing, poking, turning pages, lifting flaps, and fitting shapes. Every small action strengthens hand control and finger muscles. These skills later help with dressing, using utensils, and writing. Every small hand movement is practice for future skills like writing, feeding, and dressing. Those little fingers you see working today are preparing for big abilities tomorrow. Montessori toys such as shape sorters, ring stackers, posting boxes, and knob puzzles give the right challenge level. They don't overwhelm, they build skills step by step. Children feel successful as they master real tasks. When tasks are just right for their age, toddlers feel motivated to try again instead of giving up. Challenge encourages growth, frustration, pushes focus when the tools are right. Around 14 to 18 months, toddlers start loving switches and buttons. They flip, press, and poke because they're learning cause and effect. Every time they trigger a response, they feel smarter and more capable. If a toddler repeats a switch action 10 times, they are not bored. They are learning how actions create outcomes. Repetition is not mischief, it's mastery in progress. A Montessori busy board gives them a safe place to practice switches without touching real appliances. It protects home electronics and keeps curiosity satisfied. Instead of stopping them, you guide them to safe learning. Offering a safe alternative turns, "No, don't touch that," into a confident "Here, explore this instead." Smart redirection builds skills and saves your Wi-Fi router. Give your toddler safe switches and lights to explore, instead of your real appliances. Cognitive development little thinker. Stage toddlers repeat actions because this is how they learn. They test, watch, and repeat patterns to understand rules. This is not stubborn behavior, it is brain development. Repetition is not doing the same thing again. It is a toddler building logic and memory. Every repeated action is a tiny science experiment in their mind. They begin to understand cause and effect. Pressing buttons, turning knobs, and opening containers all teach problem solving. They learn that effort leads to results. When toddlers feel the result of their actions, they learn faster than from watching screens or passive toys. Learning happens when they do not when they just watch. A Montessori busy board supports learning with real switches, gentle lights, and clear results. It gives feedback in a calm way without overstimulating senses. Real-world learning builds real-world confidence, one small action at a time. Confidence comes from achievement, not entertainment. Toddlers start pointing, babbling, and saying simple words. They communicate wants and feelings more clearly each week. Talking to them encourages vocabulary growth naturally. Every new word begins as a sound attempt. Patient listening turns those sounds into speech. The more they feel heard, the more they try to speak. Montessori encourages using real language, calm tone, and clear names for objects. Saying things like, "You turn the switch," builds understanding. Narration turns everyday moments into learning. Everyday conversation is the strongest language teacher, no special gadgets needed. Real interaction beats noisy toys every time. When toddlers feel understood, communication becomes easier. They use gestures, sounds, and words to share needs confidently. Listening makes them feel valued. A child who feels heard learns to speak with confidence, not frustration. Communication is a skill and every moment is practice. Toddlers want to do things by themselves. They try again and again until they succeed. This builds independence and pride. Small achievements feel big to a toddler. Every success builds confidence. Is the foundation of lifelong confidence. Frustration is normal and helps emotional growth. Montessori suggests guiding gently, not rushing to fix everything. Patience teaches resilience. When adults step back a little, toddlers step forward with pride. Don't rescue confidence grows in effort. Busy boards and hands-on tasks make toddlers feel capable. They see results and feel responsible for the outcome. This sense of control boosts self-esteem. Confidence grows when toddlers complete tasks, not when toys perform for them. Real success shapes strong little minds. This busy board matches developmental needs from 1 to 18 months. Early on, it provides sensory play. Later, it supports fine motor and cause-effect learning. One toy growing with your child means lasting value, not quick boredom. A smart toy adapts as the child grows. It has real switches, buttons, and lights designed for toddlers. Safe design gives realistic experience without risk. This supports curiosity naturally. Toddlers want real tools, not fake noise. This board gives true hands-on learning. Real-life practice, toddler-safe design ideal combination. It is easy to travel with and keeps toddlers focused during quiet times. Use it at home, restaurants, or on car rides. It encourages calm attention and independent play. A focused toddler means a calmer parent and everyone enjoys peace. Learning and calm time together? That's parenting relief, support curiosity, build skills, and protect your home appliances with a Montessori safe switchboard. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe if you love Montessori or if you just want fewer buttons being pressed on your washing machine.